Hello, and thank you to everybody who keeps on following my updates. This week was a relatively slow week in terms of different things. But first of all, let me thank all of my patrons who are continuing to support me. If anybody out there is interested in helping me develop Inkscape and do the kinds of user improvements that I think that Inkscape needs, please do subscribe. As little as $1 can really help sort of like push everything together. So with that out of the way, I've continued on with doing the extensions manager as I have been for the past few weeks. This week it was about trying to make sure that it was available for different platforms. This means not just whether it's available for Linux, Windows and Mac, but also whether it's available in the different kinds of installers. So on Linux we have the app image, we have the snap, we have the Flatpak, and we have apt, which is like the default build. We knew that it worked in the default build because that's how I build it. I spent the first part of this week making sure that it could work with the apt image, and I worked with Ted Gould to try to make it work with the snap. I have on my to-do list the Flatpak, but I'll get to that later because it doesn't seem like that is used quite as much. And I spent the remaining of the week trying to get it to work with Windows, which was actually very, very hard because I don't have a Windows machine. So I've been working from a VirtualBox, which is a virtual machine. This means that compiling Inkscape takes a very long time. So it's a bit frustrating, but slowly trying to work through to see where the problems are, especially with the installer. So that might take some time. I still haven't. Unfortunately, I didn't actually succeed in that. I did succeed in the apt image and the snap, but I don't feel confident that the Windows is working yet. But I'm going to keep plugging away. If you have any ideas about what I should be up to next week, let us know. I might have to put this down, the extensions manager. I might have to put it down for a few weeks because it's frustrating me a little bit. That's okay. I'll get back to it. When it comes to some other experiments, I had a little bit of an experiment with some groupings to see, like, when you select a group, is there a way to visually identify that? That was fun. I fixed a couple of bugs, did some merge requests, but that's pretty much it. As I said, it's been a bit of a slow week. So with that having been said, please do subscribe, please do comment, please do let me know what you think, and thank you all very much for your support.